Good afternoon. So on this Teachers' Day, you are supposed to ask us questions and we are supposed to respond to them as honestly as we can. That is something unique and innovative Career Launcher has decided to do for this Teachers' Day. So I have a list of questions which have been sent to me. I'll try to answer them as honestly as I can and to the best of my ability. Right? So the first question is, which fictional character you relate the most? Which fictional character do you relate the most? Well, as you grow up, you'll realize that at different stages of life, you tend to relate yourself to some different characters, maybe in the same movie, right? Because there is a natural progression to life. Now, well, if you ask my elder brother, he would say that I am like the character of Shah Rukh Khan in a movie called Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, a total loser called Sunil, right? But if you ask me which character I relate to currently, of course I have been compared to many characters, okay, but currently which character do I relate to? My answer has to be the character of Rafiki from Lion King. That is the character I relate to the most as of now, right? A few years ago, maybe I used to relate very well with Simba, maybe 20 or 25 years ago. But as of now, it's Rafiki from Lion King. What is the best and worst thing about a teacher? It's the same actually. The best and the worst thing about being teacher is the same, which is you have to be in a continuous state of preparation. You have to be in a continuous state of preparation. Please remember, if you want to learn something, it's different. But if you want to teach something, right, you have to know at least 4 or 5 times of what you actually have to teach. And that is the best thing because it actually gives you a lot of opportunities to explore. And it is also the worst thing at the same time because you end up spending a lot of time on it. But consider that knowledge is regarded as an investment and not an expenditure. Any time spent on gaining knowledge is regarded as an investment and not an expenditure. Absolutely fine. This is interesting. Sir, why do you always look towards the left side when you come for the session? Okay. You generally tend to look at the side where your enemies are. Okay? And the biggest enemy, not just for me, but for a lot of people, they come from the left, pun intended. So that's why I keep looking at the left when I enter a class. You have to look in the direction from where you expect your enemies to come. Please remember that. Most embarrassing moment in teaching. Most embarrassing moment in teaching. I have had many, frankly. Okay. And one of the most embarrassing moment for a teacher is when you crack a joke in the class and nobody understands. And I have faced that a lot of times. I cannot recall a particular incident, but I definitely have faced that a lot of times. Oh my God. So many students admire you. How do you make those connections? Now that's news to me. It's not, I'm just being modest. How do you make those connections? I'm sorry, but there is no formula for this. There is no a plus b whole square wala formula for this. Maybe because I don't hide, right? Maybe because I try to be as honest as I can. Okay? और जहाँ तक आजकल के बच्चों की बात है, आपको तो पता है कि बच्चों के आजकल जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनकी मम्मी डैडी से नहीं दादा दादी से ज़्यादा पड़ती है. मे बी दैट्स ऑल्सो अ रीज़न. ओके. If you could grow in any other decade, which would you choose and why? I don't, I mean, my gut reaction is I don't think I'll choose any other decade, right? Born in 75, growing up in the 80s and 90s, a miraculous time. We spent the first 22 years of our, I spent rather the first 22 years of my life without an internet. Okay. that had a different charm altogether. And it's always great to be in the middle of change. There is a very interesting Chinese proverb. Of course, quoting anything Chinese nowadays may not be patriotic, the right correct sense of the word. However, there is a Chinese proverb which says, "May you live in interesting times," right? And what can be more interesting than 2020? And as far as growing up is concerned, what could be more interesting than the 90s, right? So I don't think I would choose any other decade. Okay, so these are the sets of questions which students had asked to me. I tried to answer them as much as I can to the most honesty and to the best of my ability. Thank you very much. Take care and all the best.